started noticing that yesterday, well, really not yesterday, Tuesday, I noticed that we were all doing the one problem on our exit ticket incorrectly. I want you to just turn your face. Oh, we got people turning their body. That's cool too. Take a look at this student work. It doesn't matter who the student is, but I want you to take a look at this, and I want you to really quickly rethink about our thinking job. So kiss your brain, warm it up. The thinking job on Tuesday was, how can I use what I know about 10 to help me figure out the 9's fact? Okay? That was our thinking job, and this was our 9's fact game card. I want you to look particularly at part B and see what is going on here, okay? Where is the original fact that matches this card? I want you, when I say go, to turn and talk to your neighbor about where the original fact is here for part B. Go ahead and go. The person closest to you. I hear good things for Jonathan. I hear good things here. Okay, I hear good things here. Okay, turning back to me in 3. Turning back to me in 2. Turning back to me in 1. Get away with some shine. I heard a few things. I heard people say these numbers don't match the card. Who can tell me why? Because I heard 3 groups in particular. Maya, why don't these numbers match the original fact?
Because we split the 9.
Because you up here, this person split the 9. What is the original fact? So we can all be clear. Because I did hear 2 groups and they weren't so sure. Isa? 7 times 9. That is the original fact. Now, Edward, can you tell me where did this 6 come from and where did this 3 come from? Is that in the original fact?
No.
No. So should we have used these numbers? Give me a no, or give me a yes?
No.
No. So now we know where the original fact is. We know that this is incorrect because none of these numbers match the original fact. Really quickly, when I say go, I want you to regroup with your partner and tell me how we could fix it. How could we fix this? By using 10 in combination with our original fact. I see that this is 7 times 9, and I know a lot about 10s. I love counting by 10s because it's easy. Tell your neighbor what you would do. How could you fix this? Go.
I would do this. I was putting 7.
You can shine it. Good. Keep turning back to me in 3. Love what you're doing in 2. Santana, turn right away. 1. Good, I didn't have to pass 1. Good job, Stanford. I want Mashad to tell me how we can fix this. And you can track me over here because we're going to fix this equation on this white paper. Love the way Isaac turned right away. Mashad, tell me what my equation could be. How could I use 10?
It could be.
I heard you tell your neighbor.
It could be 10 times 7.
10 times 7. Okay, so let's do 7 times 10. And I put the 7 first because that's our groups. And you said that's how much? 70. Really quickly, let's give some shine to our friends over here so that they can make sure they don't make the same mistake. Okay, hands down. Mashad, you're onto the right thing. Now that we have 70, what do I need to do next? Can you finish it or you need help?
Have 7 groups of 10.
So we do have 7 groups of 10. What can we do with the number 7 now? That's our number of groups. Ooh, wait a minute. What can you do? Well, we don't need to split it. Mashad, you want to finish it? Think about what I heard you tell your partner. Edward?
You could break it up into 5 and 4.
So, I know we love splitting, but when we use 10, we don't need to split this number anymore. Think about, okay, Okay, so I remember when we did the 9s and the 10s, Malik said we could add 7 to the next 10 fact to get 70. If we could add 7, Malik, can't we take it away?
Yes.
So I'm going to take 7 away from 70 to see if I can get my answer. Just like Malik said, we could have added it when we were doing our 9 facts. Now we're using 10. So instead of adding, we're going to take it away. Who thinks they can do this in their head? Christian, your hand went up first.
63.
63. He is correct. Say good job, Christian.
Good job, Christian.
So 70 minus 7 is equal to 63. Really quickly, Jimena, our original fact was 7 times 9. It is also equal to 63. This way was the original way. And this way, what did we use to get this answer, Jimena? We multiplied by what? By 10. She said by 10. Yes, on Tuesday, wait, really quickly, let me wait to have everybody. Yesterday, we were so in love with splitting things that we missed our thinking job, okay? We needed to use 10, just like Jimena said. This is great because today, when we're doing our lesson, we're going to be working again with that number 10. I want to just recap. We need to know where the original fact came from. We know that we could use 10 to first work. We're always going to take away the number of groups to find our product. Capiche?
Capiche.
Does anyone have any questions regarding multiplying by 10? Ronell? Okay, no questions. So, say good job me.
Good job, me. Good job, you.
Good job you.
Good job, you.
Good job everybody.
Good job, everybody.
Really quickly before we split for ST Math, I just want you to answer this question. Give me a yes or give me a no. Did I use 10 to solve?
Yes.
Okay. You can cut it, Brielle.